Hi, welcome to Volume Tape Reading Strategy. In this class, we will discuss the problematic candle in tape reading. Okay, so so we have discussed how to figure out the smart money transactions in a particular area and in a particular site. Blue volume with higher openings, so that is the smart money. Okay, so if we see here, look at here. This is the sell side transactions. This is a sell side transaction. This is a sell side transaction. All have different openings. For example, this open is here 1.3999 and the transaction is blue one. Another transaction took place here 1.40 4006. So that means it is a few pip above than the previous transaction. Then another transaction for the sell side took place here and the open is 1.4009. So again 3 pip above open than this one, and all are the blue volume sell side candles. So what does that mean? That means that the investor invested their money and he suggests this open price. Then another investor for the sell side invest their money here and suggest another open price. Then another investor for the sell side invests his money here and suggests another open price. So that means the sell side investor are not agreeing with each other and they are suggesting this different open prices and they are putting their money there. So if these were the genuine real investment for the sell side, so why they were suggesting different open prices and they're putting their money there? Why not they put their money in a one direction and support each other on the sell side to get the reward and win the match? Okay, so whenever we got such a situation, a problem in opening with blue volume in a site, so what we do is we do not trade on this. We do not trade until we got a clear direction which side has won the match. For example, let's take an example from our ordinary life. If there is a packet of biscuit on $10 and someone said I need 100 packet of biscuit on this $10, then another one said I need 100 packet of biscuit on $11. Then another investor came and he said no, I need 100 packet of biscuit on this $10. Then another investor came and he said I need 100 packet or 200 packet of biscuit on $8, $9. So what does that mean? That means that there is no clear direction that which side is winning. Both sides, investor are fighting with each other on different open prices. Someone is suggesting one open price and another one is suggesting another open price. So what does that mean? That means they are fighting with each other and there is no clear direction which side will win the match. So what we do is in such a situation we do not trade until we got a clear direction that with this side has won the match. So what we do is on the support resistance area, we wait until we got two transaction in one direction and one opposite attempt and close below that, so then we join the trade. Okay, you may not get this point very clearly. Let me understand that. For example, here the sell side transaction took place here and open price is here. So if we want, for example, if we want this market to sell and we want to put our trade here for the sell side, so what we need is we need at least two investors to support each other to one direction. So that means that we have one investor here for the sell side. Now we need another investor. For example, if we have another investor open, this one open is here, another investor open, for example, here, and the candle is sell as well, and the volume is blue as well. Mm. So that means we got two investor. One invest their money here, another one invest their money here. Both are the sell side, and the area is the resistance area. So that means then we will trade the sell side because the two investor criteria has been fulfilled. Okay, one opposite attempt, we need one opposite attempt as well. Why we need one opposite attempt? Because we need to check whether the opposite side has the power still exists or not. If their power still exists, so the uh, market will not go to that side, then the market will go to that side. So for that, what we do is we need to close below one opposite attempt. For example, let's say this is only one opposite attempt and there is no other candle for the upside. Let's say for example, so let's say for example we have one investor here for the sell side, then we have another investor here for the sell side, and the open is here and the volume is blue one as well. So that means we have two investor on the resistance area for the sell side. So the criteria has been fulfilled. The two transaction, two investor criteria has been fulfilled. Now what we need more, we need one opposite attempt. That means one candle to the opposite side, and we have to close below that. So if we close below that, then the criteria has been fulfilled and we will sell this market. These things are discussed only for the examples. We will find our uh, perfect example as well. Anyway, so whenever we got problem in opening like this one, these are the opening problems. Both have the blue volume. That means the higher transaction from the sell investors, and one opposite attempt and close below that. So then we will sell. But here we have a problem in opening. So whenever we got problem in opening with blue volume, so what we do is we do not trade until we got two transactions to support each other openings with blue volume. So then we try to trade that area. Let's say for example, some. Okay, so we have got a clear example here nearby. The weekly time frame told us the upside is winning, the monthly told us the upside is winning, the daily told us upside is winning, H4 told us the upside is winning. In H1 time frame, if the market were here, for example, if the market were here and there is no candle, for example, these candle were not here, these candle were not here, and the market were here, for example. So if we check this area, look at this one. This is the problematic candle as well. Look at this open price. Open price of this one is here, and the last blue volume transaction for this upside was here. So open was here and another open is here. So both have problem in opening. So whenever we got problem in opening, what does that mean? That means that the investors are fighting with each other in this area. So what we do is we wait until we got another transaction for the problematic candle side from the investor. So for example, this open is here with blue volume. So we will not trade, we will wait until we got another investor to join their side. So another investor came here, open is here, and the last investor open is here. So both are the up candle and the side is upside as well. So that means the two investor criteria has been fulfilled here. So what else we need? One opposite attempt. So this is one opposite attempt. That means one opposite candle and no candle after that, no candle after that. So that means this is one opposite attempt. The opposite power has been checked here, and no follow through after that. No other investor is suggest liking the sell side. So that means one opposite attempt and we have close above that, we have clause above that as well. So the criteria has been fulfilled. So what we need is whenever we got problem in opening, we need two transactions to support each other openings and one opposite attempt and close above that. So the criteria has been fulfilled, and now we will join the trade according to the higher time frame. Whatever the higher time frame told us that that side is winning. So in the support resistance area, if we got problem and then we have two transaction, one opposite attempt, so that means the criteria has been fulfilled and we again can join that trade and that side again.